Let's wrap with the biggest mistakes repair shops make online and a simple 30-day plan to fix them. Mistake 1. Trying to market everything. Focus on your top 3 profitable services and build offers around them. Mistake 2. Sending traffic to a weak homepage. Use dedicated pages for each service with clear proof and click to call. Mistake 3. Ignoring your Google Business profile. Keep hours accurate, upload fresh photos weekly, and answer every Q&A. Mistake 4. Inconsistent reviews. Don't hope for reviews. Systemize it with a text message and a link after every job. Mistake 5. No follow-up. Most leads need 2 touches. If someone requests a quote, call fast, then send a text with the estimate and next step. Here's the 30-day plan. Week 1, fix your website basics and create 1 service page. Week 2, optimize your Google profile and add photos. Week 3, launch a review request system and reply to all reviews. Week 4, post 8 short videos and run a small Google search campaign for 1 offer. At the end of 30 days, measure calls, bookings, and revenue, then repeat what worked. You don't need fancy gear, just clear offers, real proof, and steady execution.